Welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott, and we'll be diving back into my dad's 1954 Chevy pickup. So with that being said, enjoy. Alright, so we're going to be diving into some of the electrical in this truck. Got a box full of parts, bust it open, see what we got, see what's going on, and kind of figure out where to start. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the headlight switches that have the high beams made onto the pull switch. I think that's, I don't want to run a dimmer switch. I don't want to run this. I don't want anything on the floor like that. So this is just a standard switch. Got your parking lights and your headlights. But they make a switch where one more pull and that'd put your brights on for your headlights. But I definitely don't want to run a dimmer switch on the floor, so I'll have to get another switch. Not that there's anything wrong with this, it's just not what I want for this build. Alternator harness. We've got a bunch of heat shrink butt connectors. That's what these are. They're color coded for the gauge size. The heat shrink ones they're pretty nice because, well, you know, keep the weather off of them, try to help keep them from corroding. Here's another set of them. Alternator harness, I think I might already mention that. This here is the headlight bucket gaskets that go in between the backside of the bucket of the headlights to keep it from being metal on metal. Let's see, what the hell? Gauge insulator set. Alright. We got plenty of rubber grommets. A lot more clamps. Which is brand here. The grommets and the clamps. This brand is from Harbor Freight. So looks like we got some more electrical connectors. Got an assortment of heat shrink tubing, different colors. That's also something else you can pick up from Harbor Freight as well. And I'm not sponsored by anybody on any of this stuff. I just, you know, they got a pretty good deal on it and it's budget friendly. I'll give them their props too. So, oh man, oh yeah, check that out, brand new. The parking lights that go on the grill. That is badass, man. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, that's kick ass, man. That's gonna look so good. Wow. I thought we just had some old crusty, rusty ones that was gonna run, but man, that's really gonna, wow, that's really gonna set it off on the front end. Nice. Nice. And here's the other one. Wow. That looks like an adjustment screw for a headlight bucket. That's what it looks like to me, but I could be wrong. Alright, this is what I was wanting to dig for. Put all this stuff back in here. Got some O-rings. I know when I had some O-rings that looked like this, it was for around a little rubber trim ring around the switch, but not 100% what these 100% sure what these are for. Guess we'll figure it out as we go. But yeah, got some flashers and fuses, and got a lot of goodies in here. The main thing I was digging for was this booklet, and all right, I'm going to pause this for a second. All right, I'm going to give you a visual of the booklet to let you know what the kit comes with, and I'll just start walking it down from there. Not sure how well you'll be able to see that, but I'll just let that sit on there for a few seconds for you. Kind of take a gander at it. Alright, old man, we're back inside your truck. We're going to sort through some of this wire. I know I had said something about possibly running the wire and tucking it and hiding it. I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to put it back just how you had it, because there was nothing wrong with the way how you had it routed. I'm just going to change up a couple little things and get your loom and everything back on it. And when it's all said and done, it's going to be beautiful. So. Alright, let's get into the spaghetti mess that we got going on down here. Alright, this batch here is dome light, trunk light, fuel gauge, fuel pump. Alright, let's leave that in here. We might pull the fuel pump up there. Okay, well, you get the idea of what's going on, and I'll get some of this stuff sorted out. I'll be right back with you. Alright, to get you up to speed to where we're at right now, old man, just about got the front section complete. This kit come with most of them usually come with a pretty nice worksheet where you can go through and check off when you find the wires and harness it up. So I got a couple more wires to find. Got to find the horn and the power antenna, and then I'll get that zip tied up. That'll be everything that's going to run out to the front end of the truck, and yeah, so that'd be be pretty sweet. All right. You can see I'm still dealing with the big old flop of goodness here. So the horn. Okay, looking for a horn. There it is. There's a horn. Horn and a power antenna. Boy, oh boy. Alright, we'll make a mess of all this sweetness here. Alright, go, baby. I seen you. There you are. Found you. Alright. Where are you at here? There we are. Okay, I'll leave that there. Make sure. Yeah, that's it. Alright, we'll string up this spaghetti mess real quick. Who is it? Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, might as well just make a full-blown mess with it. Here we go. We're committed now. Alright, where are you at? You rotten bastard. I had my fun with that one too. Get that out of my way. Great. Yeah, don't worry, it's not as bad as it looks. Oh, for one stinking water. Yep. Okay. There's the horn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Now we need to find the power antenna. Here we go. Alright, you get the idea. So I'll be right back with you. I want to search out the power antenna and I'll be back. Alright, so now we have all of our wires together for the front end of the truck. I found the power antenna and the horn wire. And underneath here, I got everything untangled, so it's you know, it's not going to drag anything when I run it through the firewall. Nothing's in a spaghetti mess. And I am running the power antenna wire along with these front end wires, even though this is where our antenna goes and it's been Frenched in. But I'm still going to run the wire out the front of the firewall, because if I run a power antenna and I use it here, I'm just going to run it underneath the cab and I'll bring it up somewhere back here behind the seat, so there's not a loose wire running across the floorboard, or I don't have to do some kind of crazy you know, open around on the door sill or anything. But I won't count anything out, so who knows what's going to happen. But anyways, that gives you an idea where we're at. I'm going to zip tie off some of this bundle here, since we got it all together, and I'm hoping the hole size is going to be big enough in the firewall. I don't know. I may have to open it up just a little bit, but I'm not sure. And I just want to get all this stuff together where it's uniform and it's organized. So, no, this is probably not the most exciting stuff to watch on a damn video, but it is a part of it, and you know, try not to kill you too much with it. Cool. Alright, so I'm just adding some zip ties as I knock everything off the wall, because that's what I do, because I'm a barbarian. And so I'm going to add some zip ties to this to keep this all nice and neat. And I'll be right right back with you. All right, old man, we're back in business now. So, got everything for the front half of this truck zip tied together, and it's looking good. It's nice and organized. So what I'm going to try to do now, I'm going to sneak it through the firewall and start running it out where it needs to go. Alright, so this is the hole in the firewall that we're going to use, and hopefully the diameter is large enough for what wires we're going to be running through here, so let's find out together. Alright, nice. So, and I got a clamp right here that I'll use to clamp these with. One or the other. It'll either be this one or that one, but and I'll cut. A lot of times I'll cut my grommets, put a cut in them. Just makes them easier to get in and out of the holes. And just like this, you push the wire through the hole and then put the grommet in later. Or, you know, and you may have some slick trick up your sleeve that I don't know about, but that's just kind of what I do. And the only thing I wish like these aftermarket harness companies would do is make it kind of like how the factory makes their harnesses, where you can take a section, get it together, run it, get it hooked up, headlights, parking lights, all that good stuff, and then just have a plug where it plugs into the fuse block, so you're not trying to separate a big mess of wires. But I guess that's the difference in between running some of this aftermarket stuff and running some of that, like the original equipment. But those aftermarket companies would do something like that, that would just, that'd be pretty awesome, I think. Make it a lot easier for guys that's running electrical, because you can just get everything you need together for that one section and just lay it out, and then you can actually do your hooking up or whatever you want to do, and then bring your plug, put it inside, and boom. Anyways, I'm babbling. What do I know? So here we go. Alright, so we have the front part of the harness together and ran through the firewall. I haven't got it nailed in place yet, but I'll do that eventually. I'm just going to focus on the inside and finish getting everything else together and zip tied together. But it's late, tired, and we'll head into the house. I appreciate all of you stopping in, checking out the channel, and all that good stuff. So until next time, y'all have a good one.